Hey guys, welcome to this walkthrough of how to build a professional resume with LaTex. My name is Sohit Miglani, and I am a rising senior and data scientist at Minerva Schools, San Francisco. And today I'm just going to walk you through how to build a very neat and organized resume with LaTeX. It's very difficult to actually handle margins in a resume and make sure the white spaces are correct and the design is correct in like other tools. But LaTeX makes it really easy to build a very flawless resume that just catches the eye of every recruiter that sees it. And it's very simple. I hope you've downloaded the resume template zip file that I have linked in the article. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on new project. You also need to make an account on overleaf.com. It's free. And as soon as you make an account, this will be your dashboard. These are my projects right here. And I'm going to start a new project now with the template that I already have. So I'm going to click on upload project, select a zip file. And this is exactly the file I downloaded from the article. And I open it, and basically opens a new project for me. Now, don't get scared by all the code here. It's very easy because most of the coding has already been done for you. So let's start off. You see this text here written your name. This corresponds this version here, your name. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to here goes my name. And you click on recompile. It changes it. Here goes my name. Basically, you can change it to be whatever you want. So it'll be your name, but you have the ability to tailor it the way you want. Each section is organized in a thing called backlash section. Basically, a reverse backlash is a way to denote that a new section is starting here. And so you can start putting in the details that you want. So, for example, your address here, this text corresponds to this text here. So let me go ahead and change this to 000 generic street, generic city, generic state, city, country. And let me click recompile. And ta-da! It changes dynamically. And so you can put in whatever you want it to be. And this text, if I change this email, it'll correspond to the email right here. Let's go on to the education section. The way I've organized it for education and work experience is that the names come here, followed by a little indentation and then the little details, and the cities are always on the other side in italics. Now you can always remove italics by getting rid of this thing, backlash EMPH, that denotes italics. So if I delete this, also get rid of the square brackets, just fill city of college. So you see city of college is not italics anymore. Let's undo that. And it's italics again. So it depends on how you like it. I have seen that this structure is very helpful because it sort of organizes all the information in a very readable manner. Because for each company, you've got your title, you've got the company city, and you've got the duration. And sometimes it's important to organize it in a way that it's easily digestible. And so I've organized it this way. You're more than welcome to change it the way you like it. But so let's go ahead and make some little changes. So for education, I'm first mentioning my college name. It's very generic, and you basically have to change it the way you want it. You can mention your concentration, BSN, let's say, philosophy, and it changes right here. You can add more stuff. So you can add backlash item, and that adds another bullet point, and you can say president of the philosophy society, and you click recompile, and says President of Philosophy Society, adds another bullet point. I can also just get rid of this line here, and I'll get rid of the same line on the other side. Now let's go down to work experiences. Um, for example, for the first company, we only have one line right here. So company one, company city, title, the duration, description one. Let us say I want to add another bullet point. So I do backlash item, description two. Oops, description two, and I recompile it, and basically it changes right here. For example, I don't want three companies, I only want to put two companies on this. So I will remove the whole section starting from company three until the end of list two. And I click delete, and I click on recompile, and it basically removes that section. You can add the company again, just copy this section starting from company two until end of list two. Click on company three, click on company three, and you can recompile it, and the whole version gets changed. And then you can download it. So you can click on the download button right here. It says download PDF. You click on this button, and it allows you to save this file as a PDF. So you'll have a PDF resume ready once you've sort of done filling the details. So let's save it. And now that we've saved it, and then you can basically upload it to your job application website or wherever you're applying it for. And it's a very easy process. You just change the code, change the text in the code, click recompile, the edits reflect here, and once you think everything looks right, you just click on download PDF and you get the PDF. Now you can go ahead and change other sections. You can change the project section. You can add another project. So let's just copy this whole project and make another copy of it. And we can edit it to be whatever it wants to be. Description, project 2, position 2, description 2.1, description 2.2. Click on recompile. And here it is. And then you can add your skills in the skills section and accomplishments. And make sure to adhere to the syntax, and not sort of miss out on any important square brackets or backlashes, because it's very important to make sure you don't sort of mess up the code. So for example, if I forget to complete this square bracket, it's going to give me an error right here. Unclosed open group. Let me close it. If I do this, it's going to say unexpected close group. It's going to give you an error right away if the syntax isn't correct. So I sort of welcome you to just go through the whole code again and see how it is. It's very intuitive. There's nothing that's too hard about it. Just go through it, understand how things are working. Most of it's already been written for you, so it may not even happen that you have to change most of it. You just have to change the text on this left side, and click recompile. It gets reflected on the right side, and then download the PDF. It's fairly easy and makes a really good and professional resume. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email is in the article. It's also sohitmeglani1@gmail.com. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn. Tell me if you have any updates to this, if you have any suggestions. I'm more than happy to listen and basically understand how we can make it better. Well, yeah, good luck, guys, and thank you for listening. Bye.